Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare React versus Code Debugger. React Dev Tools focuses on the component tree, state, and props, offering a specialized view for your user interface. The VS Code Debugger, on the other hand, provides a robust environment for stepping through your JavaScript code, inspecting variables, and understanding execution flow. We'll explore how each tool excels in different scenarios, helping you choose the best approach for your debugging needs. React DevTools offers unparalleled insight into your application's UI. You can effortlessly inspect and modify component state and props in real time, observing changes instantly. It visualizes the entire component hierarchy, making it simple to pinpoint issues within nested structures. Furthermore, its profiling capabilities help identify rendering bottlenecks, potentially saving dozens of milliseconds in performance for a smoother user experience. The VS Code Debugger is your go-to for deep JavaScript logic. It allows you to set precise breakpoints, step through your code line by line, and examine variables at any point in execution. You can inspect the call stack, understand asynchronous operations, and even debug network requests. This powerful tool provides a comprehensive view of your application's underlying code, crucial for resolving complex logical errors. Deciding which debugger to use depends on the problem at hand. For issues related to component state, props, or UI rendering, React DevTools is your primary choice. When dealing with complex JavaScript logic, data flow, or integration with external APIs, the VS Code Debugger shines. For a truly comprehensive approach, consider using both in tandem, leveraging their unique strengths to tackle any bug across your application.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.